Okay, now members, let us see how do we solve two simultaneous equations. We have seen how to solve it. We can solve them in many ways, but here we are going to majorly focus on 4 ways. The first is the elimination method, substitution method, the matrix method, then the graphical method. The rest you can do in your free time. So these are the methods you can use to solve two simultaneous equations. These two simultaneous equations are always having two unknowns with the two equations. So to eliminate, let us now focus on elimination method first, then you can come to substitution method. Okay. To eliminate a variable, we should have the same coefficient in both equations. How do we do this? By multiplying, as you are going to see. So if we have different signs, we add. Same signs, we subtract. How can we remember this? You can use this acronym DAS. DAS means different signs add. Same signs subtract. So that you can use DAS to remember that always. So solve the following simultaneous equations. I have these two. What we do is I can call this equation 1. I can call this one equation 1, then I call the other one equation 2. So if I call x plus y equals 6, equation 1. Then I call 2x minus y equals 6, equation 2. Now what I'm going to do is that here I can easily eliminate this y. This one is coefficient 1 and this is coefficient 1. The sign is different. So if I'm correct this is that now I want to eliminate y. Why am I eliminating y? Because from the equation it's very easy. It has coefficient 1, it has coefficient 1. So I'm going to have 2x minus y equaling 6. This one, then this will be x plus y equaling 6. So it's that the coefficient is the same, 1, 1. What's different is the sign. So it's saying this is negative, the coefficient of y is negative 1 here, this is positive 1. So the signs are different. What happens if signs are different? Signs, we add it. So here I'm going to add these two equations. So now 2x plus x, we get 3x. Then negative y plus y, so we have negative y plus y. This will be 0. So I have here 0. So it's that y has 1. Then 6 plus 6, this will be 12. Then if you divide it through, that our x will be 12. Okay, divided by 3, and so our x becomes 4 with ease. Now, I've eliminated y, and I've got the value of x. Now eliminate x and get the value of y. Eliminate. Now we are going to eliminate x. Now to eliminate x is that the coefficients are not the same. This is 2, this is 1. So what we do? We first make the coefficients the same. So 2x minus y is equaling 6. Then this is x plus y equaling 6. So how do I make this coefficient the same? What you do, you get the coefficient there which is 1, you multiply it here. And then you get this coefficient, you multiply it there like this. So the coefficient of x here, you multiply it here. The coefficient of x here, you multiply it there like that. Now when you multiply, we shall be adding 1 times this, you get 2x. Then plus minus y equaling to 6. Then here, when I multiply by 2, I get 2x. 2 times this, I get plus 2y equaling 2. 2 times this 2 is multiplying everything here. So this times 2, this times 2, this times 2, which is 12. Now, you see we have same signs. This is positive and this is positive. What happens? Same signs, subtract. So here, allow me to subtract like this. So if I'm subtract that, now what is going to happen? Is I'm going to have 2x minus 2x, which will be 0. Then negative y minus 2y. This will give me negative 3y. So here I have negative 3y equaling to 6 minus 12. 6 minus 12, this will be negative 6. So divided by negative 3, so my y will be 2. So therefore, my x is 4 and my y is 2, and I've solved those two simultaneous equations using the elimination method. Let us start with this. Now, if I call this equation 1, and this one I call it equation 2, now we say I want to eliminate, let us eliminate x first. Eliminate x. If you want to eliminate x, we need here 3. We said before we eliminate, the coefficients should be the same. So meaning here I want to be adding a 3. So this will be now 3. So you see that I'm going to be adding 3x minus 2y equaling 8. Then this will be x plus 5y equaling to negative 3. So what I do, the coefficient of x here, I multiply it here. The coefficient of x here, I multiply it down. As simple as that. If we multiply through by 3, by 1, we have 3x. 1 times this we get negative 2y. 1 times this we get 8. This one multiplies everything. So this is 3 times this, you get 3x. 3 times this, you get 15y. 3 times this, you get negative 9. Then, you see we have same signs of x. See now the coefficient is the same, therefore we can eliminate. The same signs, look here. Same signs, we subtract. So we are going to subtract also this one here. So if I subtract this, you start be having negative 2, look here. Negative 2y minus 15, that will give me negative 17y. Because I have negative 2 minus 15. This will be negative 17y. Then 8 minus minus. I have 8 minus 9. This will give me now 8 plus 9, which will be 17. So this side I have 17. Divide through by this, that's 9y. Divide through by 17, negative 17. You have 17 over negative 17. So my y is going to be negative 1. So now if you put y, then you come and eliminate now. Come here and eliminate. Now I'm going to eliminate y. If I'm going to eliminate y, I need now these coefficients to be the same. So I have 3x equaling to 8. Then x plus 5y equaling to negative 3. What we do, the coefficients of y should be the same. So I get this, you don't take the sign, you just take the figure there. The sign should cater them, you cater for them in the next step. So this 5, for the coefficients, for them to be this should multiply this and this should multiply this. That's why you get this 5, you bring it here. Now you get this 2, you bring it there. You ignore the sign, don't take the sign. Why do we multiply these coefficients? The order to make them the same is by multiplying what is here, multiply it here, multiply this one to be the same. And what is here, multiply it here. You leave the signs, don't take the signs, just take the coefficients. So if you multiply 5 times this, you get 15x. 5 times this, you get negative 10y. 5 times this, you get 40. 2 times this, you get 2x. 5 times this, you get plus 10y. 2 times this, you get 10. 2 times this, you get negative 6. Now, you see different signs. You say different signs, I. So I'm going to add these ones. So I'm going to add these ones. When I add this, 15 plus 2, I get 17x. Negative 10 plus positive 10, I get 0. Then I add this 40 plus negative 6, I'll be having 34. And see from there, if you divide it through, your x will be 34 over 17, and that your x will be at 2. So therefore, your x value is 2, and your value is negative 1, and we have solved those two equations simultaneously using elimination method. Don't ever substitute if you are using elimination method. And if it's a question about elimination, you start at eliminate, and then I eliminate. I eliminate, then I eliminate. Don't substitute. We are going to see how to use the substitution method. I wish you well.